Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to play older games on your Xbox Series S. So we're talking Xbox 360, Xbox One and the original Xbox. So how it's going to work is we just need to go to Microsoft Store and re-download them. Now keep in mind that not all games will support this, only games which Microsoft have approved. This is only applies for Xbox 360 and Xbox Original. If you have any Xbox One game you want to play, you can play it, no issues. So let's get the thing started. We'll just head over to the Microsoft Store. And you just want to search up the game you want. So if the game you want is on the Microsoft Store, and it's, let's say, a 360 game, stuff like that, then you can download it, no issues. So let's just try Call of Duty World at War. So if we do, we'll just do World at War here. So World, and it should show up any moment now. After I do this here, and just click on search for the results, and you should see, I mean, these results are a bit useless, but let's just find Call of Duty World at War, and you'll be able to see here, just like that, Call of Duty World at War, and you can see if it's available, you just click on the install and you're good to go. And really this applies to any game, to be honest here. If the game doesn't show up on search, that means that you cannot download it. The problem is nowadays is the Series S, there is no disc slot, you can't insert discs, so you can see original Xbox game here as well. So if it's available in the store, you can download it, otherwise you just can't. That's really all there is to it. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.